Hi there, parents! Did you know that 2 out of 3 parents struggle with talking about mental health? It's true, and it's something we need to change right now. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and having open conversations with your children can make a huge difference in their lives. Many parents feel unsure about how to start these conversations or worry about saying the wrong thing. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll provide you with practical tips and strategies to make these discussions easier and more effective. Together, we can create a supportive environment for our children to thrive. Let's get started. First off, start by creating a safe space for these conversations. Your child should feel comfortable expressing their feelings without fear of judgment. Use open-ended questions like, "How are you feeling today?" and really listen to their responses. It shows that you care and are there for them. Be honest about your own feelings too. It's okay to admit that you don't have all the answers. What matters is that you're open and supportive. When you share your true emotions, you create a safe space for others to do the same. This honesty fosters trust and deeper connections. Remember, vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. By being genuine, you encourage others to be authentic as well. It's through these open conversations that we grow and understand each other better. So take a moment, breathe, and speak from the heart. Your honesty can make a world of difference. Lastly, don't shy away from seeking professional help if needed. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Therapy can be incredibly beneficial for both you and your child. Professional therapists are trained to provide the support and guidance that can make a significant difference in your lives. They can help you navigate complex emotions, improve communication, and develop effective coping strategies. Remember, seeking help is a proactive step towards better mental health and well-being. It shows that you are committed to making positive changes and ensuring a healthier future for your family. So, if you ever feel overwhelmed, know that help is available and it's okay to reach out. So let's break the silence and start having these crucial conversations. Your child's mental health is worth it.